The Waterdrop GE RPWF Chip Filter 2PK is a real kitchen hero. Imagine your refrigerator as a silent guardian. It keeps your food fresh. But what about your water? This filter is like a tiny, vigilant knight. It stands watch over your drinking water. It removes lots of impurities. So, your water tastes clean. It also smells fresh. Furthermore, this filter is easy to install. You won't need special tools. Just twist it in. Then, enjoy better water. We really appreciate this convenience. It's a simple upgrade, yet, it makes a big difference. This Waterdrop GE RPWF Chip Filter 2PK is built with a smart chip. This chip makes it super compatible. It works with many GE refrigerator models. For instance, it fits GFE28GYNFS and PFE28KELDS. It also works with GFE28KELDS. This broad compatibility is excellent. You won't worry about fit. Moreover, the filter lasts a long time. Each filter provides 6 months of clean water. Think of it as a steady stream of purity. Therefore, you get 2 filters in this pack. That's a full year of fresh water. Consequently, you save money. You also save hassle. We found this very helpful. Finally, consider the benefits of the Waterdrop GE RPWF Chip Filter 2PK. It improves water quality significantly. It's like turning tap water into bottled water. Yet, it's right from your fridge. The price is also very reasonable. It offers great value. In addition, it's a responsible choice. You reduce plastic waste. So, you help the environment. We highly recommend this filter. It's a small investment, but it delivers big returns. You get peace of mind. You get healthy hydration. Ultimately, it's a smart choice for any home. Pros: good quality, lower price, no leaking seal, no carbon leakage, a great price, perfect fit. Works well, arrived on time, working properly, effective filter, easy install. Cons: good quality, lower price, perfect fit, works well, effective filter. Features: Waterdrop brand replacement filter, replaces GE RPWFE filter, replaces GE RPWF filter. A built-in chip, compatible with GFE28GYNFS, works with GFE28KELDS, fits PFE28KELDS model. Compatible with PFE28KYNFS, works with GFE28KELDS, includes 2 filters. The Waterdrop refrigerator water filter is a replacement for GE RPWFE and RPWF filters. It has a special built-in chip. This filter works with several GE refrigerator models, including GFE28GYNFS, GFE28KELDS, PFE28KELDS, PFE28KYNFS, GFE28KELDS, and PWE23KELDS. Each package comes with 2 filters. This Waterdrop replacement filter is a great choice for GE RPWFE and RPWF refrigerators. It's affordable, fits perfectly, and is easy to install. Users have found it to be good quality, with no leaking seals or carbon leakage, and it effectively filters water. Plus, it arrives on time and works just as it should.